We are looking at how to pronounce and what is the meaning of this abbreviation. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more acronyms and abbreviations as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. It means also known as. There is also a language in Central Africa that is called A.k.a. language, but that's a different story. So how do you go about saying this abbreviation? It is generally said as A.k.a, as in the letters A.k.a, A.k.a for also known as, and now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more abbreviations and initialisms whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.